this is the concrete base finish now for the storage unit. I didn't show too much content in it, but it wasn't exciting to do. It took 3 or 4 weekends to do it, but hopefully we're going to get delivery of some steel today now, so we're going to do a steel structure. Bank holiday weekend, so I'd like to get it all done this weekend. So that's the concrete base in. It's over 4 inches thick, 16 by 16 foot wide. So that's it. We're going to start building that steel structure today. So that's my steel delivery there now. That's the 1 inch box section there now for making doors. That's my 2 inch box section for cross members. And that's my 60 by 60 mm box section, 4 mm wall. Very heavy, that's for the uprights. So I have to get it all down there. I'll start fabricating down there. So my very first cut, my old chop saw burnt out. Kept on blowing fuses and smoking out the motor. So I had to go out to town and get a new saw. So I'm after buying this Evolution chop saw. It's €330. So I'm going to see what it's like. This is going to be the first cut. Well, that chop saw is excellent. It's brilliant, so it is. So I have these plates here. I'm going to weld these onto the bottom of these uprights, and they're going to be the feet for the uprights for the new storage unit I'm going to make. So I'm going to weld them on now. Well, that's one upright up. A bit footery. Took a while to get it going. I hadn't the right drill bits or drills or batteries were running out, so I got the first one up. Hopefully we'll get sorted now and get the second ones up fairly quick. So it's early morning. I have a scaffolding set up there now. I've 2 lifts to make by hand. The top rails there are going to be very heavy. Hopefully I'll be able to lift them myself. Well, that's the setup there now. I have to shape the top of the box section, the uprights there to suit the fall. So that's the plan now. Well, it's a new day. I'm going to keep going. I've a lot of steel work done, but I'm thinking to do another 3 uprights to go up yet. The 60mm by 60mm box section foam is extremely heavy, so at least got all the big stuff done now. Yeah, so I'll just get on to the next bit too. It's not a bad view from my building site today. I wish somebody would pay me to work from home. So that is the all steel work done now. It took me a couple of weeks to get done, but it's all fully welded up now. Just have to paint it. I'm going to make doors for an ordinary barn doors. So I'm just going to drive the tractor and see does it fit. I can't wait. So hopefully we'll get past the scaffolding and the door post here. Alright. There you go, it fits. Surprised myself. There's still plenty of room in it. Storing more rubbish. Now to get the cladding for it. That's it. I bought myself a new vise here for welding up corners. I just hope it'll work. Just try it out for the first time. That's the vice there now. I'm going to try it while they're up. See what happens. I'll have to weld on the ground now because this door's going to be very big. Well, that's one door framed up and welded in position. Happy with that. Just to finish her off now. Second door and the third door. I think I'll get practice first. So that is the shed finished now. I want to get it done as quick as I could. I made it as cheap as I could. So it's finished now, but I will make more videos getting it out, for installation and plywood maybe on it and putting electrics in it. I'll put my generator in here too as well as the air compressor, so when the air compressor's running I won't hear it in the workshop. But yeah, that's this job finished now. It's good to get the tractor in here now. I'll be able to do some light restoration on this tractor as well now. Put new lights in it, different things like new seats, new steering wheel, and get it cleaned up a little bit. Alright, talk to you soon.